Maril, yours na ha, XS to small. XS to small, Maril. Oo. Be, yours na ha. Oh, next. Oh, next. Oh, next. Oh, large. Okay, large size to, Primark ha. Primark na large. SS ko na lang pag invoice ko yung isa mo, be. Oh, game large tayo. Oh, next large. Ang ganda. UK 14, 280. Oo. Oh, 280. Oh, 280. Ganda oh. Pamay na ko large. 26 language agad. Anong language? Oh, Ate Jean. Ate Jean, small lang to, Ate Jean ha. 25, 26, 330. Next next madam. Next tayo, FNF. Mga trouser na po. Okay, another trouser. Kalang ha. Trouser, be, ang ganda. FNF ang brand, trouser po talaga, 27.29 to. Another small to medium to, ang ganda. May nako dito ng Army. Sobrang bago. Army 280. Lord si Teres, ha?